Okay, today we are going to be calibrating the DFMT Elite. The first thing we have to do is remove the cover that goes right here. You're going to see right here a bank of switches and a button right here that is your safe button. The first step we do, we turn on switch 1. We angle towards the wall stand. Press the save button. Angle towards the table. You don't have to be above the table, but just point it in the downward direction. Flip up switch 2. After you put down switch 1, hit save. Now we're going to do switch 3. Point it away from the wall stand. Hit save. Now we're going to point the tube back down. Okay, the next step is going to be dip switch 4, so we need to turn 3 back off. You turn on number 4. Then you set the tabletop to 26 inches. And you move the tube down till the collimator reads 10 inches on the tape, which is about a finger's width off of the table. Then you hit the save button. Now you raise the table to 32 inches. And you measure 40 inches with the collimator tape to the tabletop. I almost forgot, we need to switch from number 4 to number 5. Okay, we're at 40 inches to the tabletop. Now we hit the save button. And now we can lower the tube back down to where we can reach it. We turn off number 5, turn on number 6. Now it's 40 inches to the detector. Which is going to be 36 to the tabletop, because there's a 4-inch from the detector to the tabletop. And we hit the save button. Okay, now we need to position the tube stand so that the center of the column is over the center of the rail, which is that middle bolt hole. Which would be right there. turn the switch off. Now, we press these buttons and these buttons at the same time. It enters into this calibration mode where we have a value of 2.55 volts showing up. You'll need to turn this wheel. And we're looking to get a value of 2.14 to 2.18. I like to go 2.16 because it's right in the middle. We're at 235. Okay, we have achieved 2.35 volts. So we need to rotate it some more. Okay, it will beep when you're within the range. Okay, and we're at 2.17, which is a good spot to be. Now, we have to remove this shipping screw right here. Okay, after the screw is out, you allow the wheel to drop so it contacts the floor. And you push the transverse button to exit out of that calibration mode. Now we do switch 1 and 7. Point it to the wall stand. It shows we want 36 inches. Measured with the collimator to the detector, which is 1.5 inches behind here. So 36 to the detector is going to be 34.5 to the plate here. Okay, once we're 34.5 inches, we hit the save button again. Now we put down switch 1, bring up switch 2, with switch 7 still up. Now it wants us to go to 60 inches, which is going to be 58.5. Okay, now we're at 58.5. We hit save, and we restore the switches to all off. Now we're reading 60 inches, and we should have 40 inches. Measured out to 38.5. Boom.